throw it up, throw it up, throw it up, throw it up. I get love from the B's, love from the C's, Mexican, Asian, and Samoa OGs. Throw it up, throw it up, throw it up. Throw it up, throw it up, throw it up.
DJ NOIZ.
Hey yo, let's roll to the stove, easy E, so we can buy us some OE 40 OZs. Get a buzz with the thugs in the neighborhoods black, but buy a couple of extra ones for the neighborhood rats.
Thinking you'll be drinking out my bottle, bitch, that's bullshit. Still got semen on your lips from the homie Zick. Chick, you're the homegirl, but shit, you're like a loose goose. So give me a couple of dollars so I can bring you back to deuce deuce.
Well, bring BG Knocker back a motherfucking rodeo, so me and my nigga Big Boy can go and cop some Indo, and we'll be right back at you niggas with a quick fast. First, don't forget to buy a couple of packs of zigzag.
Kinda hot.
Get the shit or not.
Now let's roll to another spot. Back in the fort to another stove.
I told you to stow on 124th. Keep the cold brew. Go down to Segundo and on Wilmington. Make a right.
The stove ain't in sight.
Nigga, it's right past the next light. Pass across the light. Now here's what you gotta do. Get in your left lane and make the motherfucking U.
Let's get 10 40s and at least 10 22s. That should be enough for the whole motherfucking crew. Plus they got endo. A nigga's gonna be double, bitch.
Oh, give me some zigzags and 2 packs of double, man.
Oh, nigga, he's still cruising. Cruising down the street in my 6-4. Oh, nigga, he's still cruising. Cruising down the street in my 6-4. Oh, nigga, he's still cruising. Cruising down the street in my 6-4. Oh, nigga, he's still cruising. Cruising down the street in my 6-4.